Hey, what's going on, everybody? What's going on? Today, I finally got my shipment in of something that I was waiting for. I saw some things that I wanted online and I ordered it. It actually came faster than I thought. It came in about a week and a half. All right, so let's take a look at what it is. All right, here we go. Then, this one I really wanted. This is the Holosun SCS. This is actually made for the Glock MOS full size. So that's the Glock 17, the Glock 19, any of the Glock MOS that is double stacked, the normal size. So I'm really looking forward to this guy. And what I like about this one is it is solar powered. So therefore it's no batteries. So I'm really excited about this guy right here. This one right here still use batteries, but it's not too bad, because at least this one, the shield SC is cut directly for the Glock 43X MOS, so therefore it should fit perfectly on it. So you know, in a year or two or a year and a half, when I have to change the battery, it should fit right on it. This guy right here, the Holosun, it's going to be solar powered. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this, and then I'm going to sit this out by my window so it can charge. So it can charge, and I probably won't put this on until tomorrow. But let's take a look at it inside. This is the one I'm really excited about. All right, there you go. Yeah, it's a really nice case right here. All right, so straightforward. Look at this. Look how thin it is. Real thin. So when it goes on the slide, it's pretty much flush. So it's not bulky. Of course, it doesn't have a battery. As you can see right here, it is solar power. They do have a battery in this. I believe the battery is can last up to 20,000 hours on a full charge. So therefore, it should not be any problem once it charges up, that it can last for a long period of time. But as of right now, this is brand spanking new. As you can see, it's really there's nothing going on in there. I have to let that charge up for a little bit. And this is the one with the green dot. So I'm really gonna enjoy this guy right here. And I like the fact that it's all black, not like the other one that had the white letter or anything like that. So I really like that. What else you have in here? You got the tool. This is for your windage and your adjustment tool. And then also it has a Torx. So this is, you can put the bolts in, and these bolts is made for the Glock MOS, so therefore everything should be in the kit. And what else you get in here? Oh, you get to clean your lens. Let's see what else you get. Oh, there you go, the screws. These screws right here should be the exact ones that fits right in the Glock. That's about it there. Let's see what's over there. Anything else? Oh, a little bit of poison. Keep that in there. So that's pretty much it. Straightforward. Like I said, I'm gonna let this charge by the window until tomorrow, and then I'll put it on my Glock 19 tomorrow. As you can see, the red dot is installed. The gun is clear. No magazine or anything in there. But as you see, look how flush it is to the slide. Look how perfect it is. You can see it. It looks perfect. And when you look down, you can see the red dot, and you can actually co-witness your iron sights right through it because it's so flush to it. So I'm really happy for this. You know, I used the blue Loctite, so it says to wait at least 24 hours before you fire the gun, so I probably won't be going to the range until probably this weekend and, you know, play with it there, see how it works out, see how everything is working out. So far I like it. I just like the way it looks. I really do. I just like the fact that it's so flat. And I like the fact that you don't have to worry about changing batteries. You just have to charge it. So it's gonna be pretty good. But you got to admit, it looks super duper duper nice. I really like it. All right, everyone. Catch you in the next video.